Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. I am, I'm teaching my AI, trying to teach my AI where to put everybody. I'm looking forward to listening to your presentations. Thank you, speakers, for raising your hands. Give me one more minute. I will open the breakout rooms for a short period of time, 5 minutes. Now I'll have a little discussion. And team leaders, come back, raise your hands, and tell me your opinions. The rooms are open. Several teams did a really, really good job. And one team fell down. No white background. One more time. No white background. I'm trying to teach you how to communicate with your audiences. White backgrounds are very, very hard to read. There's too much contrast. So no more white backgrounds. And no, I'm happy in a sense. So let me pop it up so you can see my head. Presenters, you have to have good visual presentation. This was what I put on the board for you guys to look at the start, before the class started. How many of you looked at it? I am looking for team discussion speeches. I want to hear from you in your speech our thinking. We discussed, in our opinion. There are 8 teams. We don't want to hear book reports. What do I mean? Because I know you never do book reports. What I mean is I don't want you to teach us about linear motor transportation. I want you to tell us your opinion. You are not mechanical engineers. You sounded, not half of you sounded like mechanical engineers. You just reported about the propulsion system. You did a good job, but that was not the instructions I put in the project instructions. I want you to discuss. You are not mechanical engineers. Do you have to have some background in mechanical engineering? Of course you do. But as civil engineers, what are the challenges that you are thinking about in the construction of the maglev trains? I heard, especially in Team B's and Team F's and Team G's discussions, some of the negative points, some of the environmental costs. Why doesn't that prefecture agree to the construction of the line? I know why. And I think you have some information about why that prefecture doesn't agree quickly to the construction. The maglev train technology is impressive. The maglev train technology is proven. Every day for a number of years, the experimental train, the trains, because they're testing the cars going past each other, because trains pass each other, going and coming, especially when they travel at 500 kilometers an hour. There are some stresses, challenges. But the construction of the tracks, ladies and gentlemen, civil engineers, I wanted to hear your opinions about those challenges. Why it costs so much. Mute your microphone. I know who did it. So, number one, tell us your thinking.
つまり、
Camera, come down here. So, ladies and gentlemen, I am already getting data about infection rates going up. Virus infection rates are going up. Wear your mask on public transportation. Just saying. Have a great week. Learn, think, and I will see you next Monday. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Goodbye.